Hi guys. So today topic about the text functions. So clean the text, extracting the characters from the data and creating the short name. All of this in Power BI is done using the text function. But the real challenge is how to apply these functions in the real assignment. So in this video, I will cover step by step like left, right, mid and search, a real business assignment scenario and the complete solution of the logic. So let's start this topic. Text function made easy. So let's try to understand the first what are the text functions in the Power BI. The first is a len. Len is simply the return of the number and the characters in the string. The function is simply len and the text. Second is concatenate, means joining two text string into the one. So concatenate the text 1 and the text 2. Put the comma between the in this two texts. Second is lower upper. Simply convert the string up to the upper and the lower case. And the right and left. Right and left and the mid. Basically return a number of the characters from the start, middle and the text of the string. Formula is very simple. Text and right formula is the same. Text and give the number of the characters. Mid is simply the text, starting portion and the number of characters. Again, come to the substitute. Substitute simple the replace and the instead of the existing text with the new text in the string. Formula is very simple. Syntax is substitute text, old text and the new text. Again come into the search. Search is return to the positions where the specified strings or the character is found and reading left to right. So that is a search. Search is simply find the text within the text. Let's jump into the some practical things. I'll open the Power BI and I have in the customer table in the view of table view. So let's try to concatenate this name. There's a prefix, first name and the last name. How can we do that? So we require the ampersand here. Let's create one more column here. New column. And then we'll try to add a name there. The name is customer full name. All right. Customer full name. Let's put the CC something so that I can know we just put the through the dex. All I should put the dex. So like we are aware we use the dex function in this. All right, is equal to, let's take the prefix from the customer's name. So customer, what is the prefix here? Where is the prefix? This is a prefix. Oh, sorry. One more time. Let's search the prefix. Prefix is here, tab, ampersand. And I need a space between the two texts. So I'm giving the space here and customer name. Customer is the first name I required here and then ampersand, put the space between it, ampersand and the customer last name. Search the last name from here and there's a last name, means all done. Hit the enter. So in the end, the one column is being created and that is the name of this, right? So that is the one. All right. So let's try to do some more thing in the left thing. So let's jump in the Power calendar lookup. In the calendar lookup, let's create one more column to practice the left thing. Left thing, right thing, they're the same. So put the left, suppose month name, month name. I'm extracting it from the text, so I put the text here. The formula is left calendar name. Suppose I'll take the month name, and the month name will take the all the what to say, all the first three character. All right, and put the three characters here and hit close, hit the enter, so that you can use the functions like that already exist. So let's try to change that underscore one, whatever want we can do. Okay, we have already created that thing. See, that is a done. Why I'm taking here? Oh, I'm taking the month, so I required the month name, this one. Hit the enter. See, I have already added the extracting the name from here, and that's meant simply the let function. If I take the right, so from the right character we'll take the three character from here. So these are the basically functions, very simple. You can try it, and as much as you try, you can the habitual of this kind of text functions. This is very simple. So let's try to do some assignment. Open the Power BI. Let's try to take the assignment first. Okay. See, suppose you're working with in a company, and you assign someone assign a work to you, and in that, let's suppose you want to create some objectives like the month in the short and SKU category. So basically, you someone asked you to create a two column basis on this. So update the month short column in the calendar lookup tables to extract the capitalization from the first three character of the month name. And second thing, create a new column in the product lookup table named SKU category to return any number of the character before the first hyphen in the product SKU column. So it's very simple. Let's try to do that thing in the practical way. I'll open the Power BI, and we'll open the calendar lookup. In the calendar lookup, I have already created this thing. Let's use that. And this is the proper case. So they required the uppercase. So simply we can put one more formula here. Enter upper and this close. Hit the enter. So this is the first uh, first answer done. And let's try to the second one. Second one is the in the product category we need to search a name product SKU and need the uh, first hash number. Let's try to open the questions and read it properly. Create a new column in the Power BI product lookup and table name SKU category. All right, to return any name number of the characters before the first hyphen in the product SKU column. That's right. I'll open the Power BI. Let's search the column in the product lookup. In the product lookup, product, where is that? This one. In product lookup, I've already created that thing. That's nice, but that's not thing. All right, so we'll do that again. We'll create one more column. In that column, put the name of SKU category. Hit enter. Left product. In product name, search the product SKU, comma, search search, what need to search? The hyphen. And from where? From the product SKU. All right, hit the enter, and we need to what more -1 and close the bracket. Why we require -1? I'll tell you. See, that's when exactly you want. If I suppose I remove it and put the enter, so hyphen will come. See, I don't want this hyphen, so I'll just put the -1 here to extract the only the HL from the this product SKUs. So this is the assignment which I have done through the text solutions. Let's open the text solutions. What I did, I'll open the PPT, the task. Yeah, that is solution we did. The solution was the need to month short from the upper left character from the 3, and SQ table left from the product lookup, search this hyphen from the SQ table -1, and that is the done. So that is the today topic. Let's try to understand different more topic in coming assignment. That was a time intelligence function. So that is a very important thing. Stay tuned. We'll connect in the next topic.